Hi everybody, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. So today, if you saw my last froggy video, you'll see that I had used some brown sugar, chameleon powder, not chameleon, brown sugar, dark sugar mica powder in some of my UV resin. Well, I had a little bit of it left over from that frog, so I went ahead and just put it in these two little cute pendants. I just put them in there and cured it. So it's not, you didn't miss anything when I did that. I just wanted a base. So what I'm going to do with these is I've found this nice, cute laser sticker. I'm going to cut out a flower and put it in just like that. And then we're going to put some UV resin over it. And the other one, I've got some flowers here that I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do with some of my PET washi tape. And we're going to put that in the other one. And then I'll put some UV resin on it and we'll make it into necklaces. Come on. These are always fun. I can never get these off very easily. I say that, watch it pops right off. Now. Plus, when you have gloves on, it makes it harder. And I don't have my tape handy or I would use it. Okay, let me find my tape and get it. Hang on. All you do is you get some tape and you put it on one side like that. And then you put the other one on the other side. And then you just pull them apart. See how easy that came off? Should have done that in the first place. I just didn't want to get all my tape. Now I got to get it off of this thing. Oh my Lord. Today is not my day. There we go. Okay, let's see how this is going to fit in there. Let go. There you go. This is, like I said, this is just a simple PET tape. It's nothing wonderful. It's just the normal stuff. I'm just getting one of my silicone tools to smush it down. It's easier. Make sure all the bubbles are out of it. Now let's go ahead and move on to this one. I think what I'm going to do with this one is just kind of put the little bitty flower on the bottom there like that. Cut it out. I don't want that one in it. See, and I can just put it right down there like that. Kind of off to the side a little bit. There you go. I get my, let's see. These are actually stickers that have the little cutouts already. I don't know if you can see there, but let me get my pointy tweezers to get these since it's already got the spots. There we go. See how easy that came out? Twist it. Make sure all the bubbles are out of it. I do that so it's pushed down onto the UV resin, so it's not going to come up or it's not going to float, hopefully. Now, what I think I'm going to do with this one, since it's so shiny, I'm going to give it a little extra zhuzh. I've got these little sparkle things. I'm going to see how they'll work with them. Gonna kind of line them up around the edges. Just line them up around the edges over there just to see how it works. If they'll stay in there. These look like little diamonds. Give it a little, trying to give it a little zhuzh. I like that word zhuzh. Let me get some UV in there, maybe it'll hold it better. Might as well go ahead and fill this one up while I'm at it. I don't want these too thick. I like thinner necklaces. I don't like chunky necklaces. Let that settle down and self-level. Well, the one thing is these are iridescent, but they seem to have lost their shape, which is okay. I can handle that. I'm going to quickly cure that and I'll be right back. I'm going to add a little bit more to this one here and cure it because I want to cover up those diamond things, even though this one might be a little chunky. Let's self-level a little bit. Just going to set that one right there. This one I'm going to take. Sorry, my battery died. I don't know where I was. I pulled this out of the mold and I've cut down the edges a little bit. I just took my scissors and trimmed down like that to make sure that they didn't have any big bumps or anything like that, because I'm going to top coat this. The other one is under there self-leveling. All I'm doing is putting it in there, taking my tool, just making sure there's no hair on it first, and just kind of bring it to the edges. And if you have another tool to hang on to it, it makes a big deal. So yeah, makes it easier. All right, I think I got it good. I'm going to push it underneath there. And I'm going to go ahead and cure it, and we'll be right back. All right, let's see how this one turned out. That's beautiful. Shoot, I messed up here, and here it didn't self-level. Okay, I'll do it again. I'll put some more on it. Pull this one out, and we'll go ahead and I'll show you what I did with the other one. I just took my scissors, went around like that. And just kind of flattened it out so that I have, see how I have that concaved spot in here? I don't know if you can see it or not. I'm going to fill that with resin as well. And I'm going to see if I can fix those edges up a little bit on this one, because it drew it all to the middle, which is weird. But life happens. Things happen. See how I filled it up all the way? Hopefully this time it won't be so annoying like that other one. And if you have to drill out the hole again, it's no big deal. Doesn't take much, just takes a little drill to drill it real quick. And if I have to do that, then I will do that. No major catastrophe. Okay, let's go ahead and cure these, and I'll be back. Let's see how these turned out. That looks pretty good. Let's see if they're, yeah. I was tapping it to see if it was cured. Go ahead, and I'm going to put them under there for a little bit longer just because I don't want them to have stickiness. Oh, this one turned out beautiful. Look at that. I really like that one. But I'm going to put them under just a little bit longer. I'm going to flip them over, and I'll be back to you with some pictures. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. It doesn't cost anything. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.